we're coming up on where the stop point would be. One thing I wanted to talk about as well is that given the time of the length of time that vehicles might be stopped at these points, the queues, we are expecting the queues might become quite long. And so it's really important that drivers are aware of what we call end of queue vehicle positioning. So queues might extend quite some distance, and there's obviously gradient, there's rolling. This is quite a rolling traverse, if you like, this road, so drivers need to be prepared, look out for roadworks signage, end of queue warning signage, and be prepared for stopped vehicles on the road. Is there anything heavy vehicles can do as they come up to an end of queue to help warn other drivers that they're coming to a stop?
What I would get paranoid about is pedestrians. So, here we are going to have a start-stop area down here near this roadhouse, and there'll be pedestrians going across the road in front of the westbound traffic because they want to go to the toilets or go grab a can of drink from the servo. So there's a possibility where you'll come across people walking across in front of you. So there's an imperative that you actually take it nice and steady and do what you've got to do through these roadworks. So just be aware that there might be children running across the road in front of you to go to the toilet. So we have to be very, very professional about this. So here's a sample. We're just stopping here. This is probably roughly where it's going to be. So we just stopped here and we're just going to take off now. So again, just idle off. Nice, easy to take off. And it's fairly flat behind us too, so there'll be no issues with the hill, with the hill start back there. So we'll just go up through our gears.